Hello, day number 25, 16th of February. This is a daily video series I use to basically just check in and move towards my goals. Uh, yeah. So I'm shooting for getting a job. To do that, I'm going to want better skills and portfolio and resume. Um, to that end, I would like to get some certifications and code some projects. Um, I passed my Security Plus certification 3 days ago, and I want to be uploading projects to GitHub. I found a beginner project, like a follow-along one on YouTube, and I worked on that a bit today. My goal yesterday was to work 30 minutes, but there was a good stopping spot, like 20 minutes in or so, so I did that. And yeah, so this is kind of inaccurate actually. And then I guess I'll just drop a 0.5 there. And yeah, those are my goals. Should probably start ramping how much I'm working every day. I feel like I'm not really doing much, but it's the weekends, and like every time it's the weekends, I don't really do anything because my study spot gets taken, and then I'm moseying around, just being lamenting the fact that it's a weekend. So I don't know. Yeah, tomorrow's not a weekend though, so I'll do more work. Did I try today? Not really. Yeah, I went pretty easy on just about everything. So, tomorrow I'll go a bit harder, surely. Um, but I also want to work on finding a new certification to study. It'll probably end up being in AWS, just because that's valuable for both software and IT or cybersecurity. It's just having experience in AWS from what I've heard sounds like it'll just be uh, good. Yes, words are hard. Um, yeah, it'll be impactful for like every domain I'm trying to get a job in, I guess. So it most likely has the highest value. And then I also want to work on LeetCode and coding projects. As for exercise today, I went on a short run. I was pretty full today as far as food goes, so I went for a run at like 4, but I was still really full. I don't know. I prefer running when I'm hungrier, and it was. Yeah. I guess I should generally just wake up and go for a quick run. During weekdays, I probably want to run right after my first study session, which would be at like 11 or 12. But yeah, I also did a really easy back exercise because my back has been kind of dead. My climbing on Friday was pretty intense, so I felt pretty weak on that front, um, which is why I highlighted it yellow. Which I don't know. That's fine. The whole point of a uh, no rest day schedule is that you oscillate intensities if you need rest, and the idea is that a little bit of exercise is better than no exercise because it gets the blood flowing, as long as you do it right. But yeah, not sure about that. But I do like waking up and exercising every day as far as like mental health goes. Not exercising, kind of rough. Anyways, how was today? I did finally code a little bit, which was cool, but I can do better. So that's what tomorrow will be. Also, here's what I coded. I basically just typed. I was following a YouTube video and I typed along. Uh, and if I run it, I can do. Does this work? Okay, it does. It just opens Edge. Cool. Yeah, I ran it from another thing, but I can get or I can send val. I can get a button to work. I can send data from the mounted the app object. I actually don't know what these are called. I'm really bad with like the textbook side of these frameworks, so it might be good to just read. Maybe I should just spend a study block reading documentation. Because, like, I honestly don't know the vocabulary, which means if I get asked about this on an interview, I would just be calling everything a thing, and then I would just lose the interview. But anyways, that's definitely something to consider. But yeah, that's it for me today. I'm kind of tired. I'll probably just backflip into bed or something. Good night.